Hello and welcome to this unboxing and setup video of the Lenovo 300 wireless mouse. So as you can see, it comes with a AA battery and it's put in at the back, which makes the entire carton stand up for display in shops, I suppose. So that's a nice touch. And the stiff card at the back is also the hiding place for the warranty card and the setup and legal disclaimer page. Alright, next is this nano USB receiver, which I'm going to set aside, and here is the mouse. Alright, let's get on to the batteries. So the included battery is GP, which I don't really trust, so I'll go with my Duracell Ultra. And now it's time to open up the mouse. So it's pretty easy. You just take off the top and it comes apart and goes back in pretty smoothly. Okay, so we take that off, put aside the cover, and of course you got to be sure that you're putting the battery into the right direction, so the plus signs align, and of course generally the side where the spring is the negative side, but you should always be sure, right? Okay, and one great thing about this portable mouse is that it has a hiding sort of place for the nano USB receiver, and that makes it pretty portable. Okay, and one more thing, there is a magnet at the end of it, so I assume that it's going to be one of those hidden features, but it might just be part of the circuit. So that's very nice, and we can just put the nano receiver into the mouse itself and close it up, and now we are ready to see whether it works and whether we've done everything perfectly till now. So pretty simple. The on off switch is on the bottom and we switch it on. We see that it's working fine. The optical LED is tracking and it's pretty ergonomic as well. So okay, let's get into the setup. Okay, so this is the first time that I'm going to plug in the Lenovo mouse into the Lenovo IdeaPad C340. I have also reviewed the pen that I got along with this laptop from Insta Hire, and as I showed you before, this is the battery, so just checking that it's working, and this is the nano USB receiver. So what I'll do is I'll plug it in. Okay, so it's got the notification, as you can see right there on the top. It just went away, and we'll put the top back on. Pretty easy, very nice. And so let's switch it on and see. Okay, so it's probably going to take a minute or so, but oh yeah, there we go. You can see the mouse and plug and play, that's it. And we've got the notification as well. I'll show you that for a brief moment. There we go. And if I click on that, we go to settings, and yeah, pretty much the scroll is working fine. So what else do you need? The right click is also going to be checked. Yep, there we go, everything is working fine. Got a message from the old boss. Okay, so that's it, I guess, and thank you so much for watching. This was my unboxing and setup of the Lenovo 300 mouse, wireless and pretty nice. Okay, I'm Axat signing off for now. Do check out my Lenovo pen unboxing and setup video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.